it's me Simmy and welcome to another super exciting episode of Maison L'Oréal Paris, your one stop for everything beauty. So subscribe करना ना भूलिएगा and also hit on the bell icon so that you are notified and updated every time we upload a new video. So now I've been trying out a lot of different skincare products. I've been experimenting with a lot of different skincare routines. तो मैंने सोचा आज के वीडियो में क्यों ना हम एक home style facial करें. Now this facial might not be like your salon style facial, but trust me, it's going to be equally relaxing. So all of the products that I'll be using today will be mentioned in the description box below. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first step is to gently cleanse your face. Now even if you're doing like a skincare routine or a facial routine, it's important to always start whatever you're doing on a squeaky clean face. So for that I'm going to use the L'Oréal Paris Hydrafresh Anti-Ox Face Wash. This is meant to gently cleanse your pores and just get all of the dirt and gunk which is sitting in your pores, just like completely cleans your skin so that you can move on to your skincare routine. Now I have already splashed some water on my face and now I'm going to take this product and I'm going to start massaging my face with this. So I'm gonna start in like round circular motions. It's very important कि आप अपने products को use करने की technique जानते हो जिससे कि आपको अपने products की maximum benefit मिले. And I think with that I am done and now I'm just gonna quickly wash my face and be back in a second. Alright you guys, so I'm back and I'm just gonna use a dry towel to pat my skin dry. And you want to ensure that you just pat your skin. And let's move on to the next step. So with that I'm done with step number 1, which was just using a cleanser, and now moving on to the second step, which is using an exfoliator, which is something a little intense than just using a cleanser. And I'm just gonna massage it between my fingers first, and again using round circular motions, upwards round circular motions मैं इसको अपने face पे massage करूँगी. And the best part about this exfoliator is that इसके जो granules हैं, the exfoliating granules are actually very tiny. तो ये आपकी skin के ऊपर ज़्यादा harsh नहीं है. It's not very abrasive on your skin, and that's the best part about it because then you can just use this exfoliator regularly, even like 3 times a week. एंड जब आप स्क्रब करें तो इंश्योर करना कि आप अपने नोज़ एरिया में इन सॉफ्ट राउंड सर्कुलर मोशंस स्क्रब करें जिससे कि आपके नोज़ पे जो भी ब्लैक हेड्स और वाइट हेड्स हैं वो हट जाएंगे. एंड ऑल्सो यू नो मसाज इट अराउंड द एरियाज वेयर यू फील लाइक यू हैव स्लाइट टेक्सचर. सो जब मैं अपने चिन वाले पार्ट में आ जाऊँगी तब मैं इसको स्लोली पीछे की तरफ मसाज करूँगी जिससे कि इट विल हेल्प इन स्कल्पटिंग माई जॉ लाइन. And also around my cheek area I'm just gonna push it backwards and then back in circular motions around my face. So मैंने scrub कर लिया है. It's been about 2 to 3 minutes, so I'm just gonna wash it off and be back. Alright you guys, I'm back and again I'm just gonna pat my skin dry before I move on to the next step. That is it, and now we move on to the next step, which is using the L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. So I'm gonna take about 3 to 4 drops of this Crystal Micro Essence, and that is kind of enough for your entire face because it's very lightweight. As you guys can see, it's almost like water, and this just legit penetrates 10 layers deep into your skin and just moisturizes your skin and hydrates it for a very long time. And right now it's like the perfect product because it's micro essence, right? तो अभी हमने क्योंकि अपने face को scrub किया है तो हमारे pores थोड़े से open हैं, and this is like the right time to use a micro essence which will penetrate into your skin and just you know keep it hydrated for a very long time, and it will also soothe your skin. And मैं इस प्रोडक्ट को डे एंड नाइट बोथ यूज़ करती हूँ. इनफैक्ट मैंने एक नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन बनाई थी, एक वीडियो जिसके अंदर मैंने अपनी सारी टेक्निक्स और प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाए हैं. तो यू गाइज कैन चेक दिस लिंक राइट हियर एंड वॉच द वीडियो. एंड बिफोर आई प्रोसीड आई एम जस्ट गोना टेक अ फ्यू मोर ड्रॉप्स and I'm also gonna apply it on my neck area because हम facial कर रहे हैं तो face के साथ साथ अपने neck को भी massage करना बहुत important है. So I'm gonna just tap the product and on my neck area. I love how my skin just instantly feels very plump and hydrated as soon as I apply this product. So with that I'm done with the Crystal Micro Essence, and now it's time to move on to the next step, which is using a sheet mask. And for that I have the L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Sheet Mask. Now this mask is actually packed with micronutrients which help in brightening your skin, and it's actually like an instant shot of hydration to your skin. Now it also helps in 3 ways. It helps in brightening your skin, plumping your skin, and lifting your skin. skin. I'm gonna wear the mask first, and I'm gonna show you how to wear the mask to get the maximum benefit out of it. Now it comes with this protective film, which is supposed to take off once you have the mask on your face. And now I'm just gonna put it on. And now I'm just gonna slowly take off the blue part of it, which is actually the protective film. And I'm just gonna align the cuts as per my face, and that is it. As you guys can see, my skin can literally see through the mask. It's that thin, and also the serum is packed with micronutrients, which just helps in brightening your skin, as I said, and it's super silky, you guys. The serum is just so smooth and soft. I like doing this before I apply makeup also. Like I actually wear sheet mask all the time, so I'm just gonna lightly massage my face while I have the sheet mask on. And I'm also gonna pull the serum around my neck area, and I'm gonna go in round circular motions. Just gonna massage that serum. So you guys, now the reason this mask is super thin is because it's made with Japan exclusive tissue technology, and the serum is packed with micronutrients that just help in nourishing your skin very thoroughly. So I'm just gonna massage it for like a minute or so, and then I'm gonna let it rest on my skin for the next 15 minutes before I take it off. So you guys, it's been about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna just take the mask off because the mask also, I feel it's kind of dried on my skin. And now I'm gonna pat whatever serum that I have on my skin. I'm just gonna kind of massage it into my skin, and again I'm gonna use round circular motions to just kind of push the product into my skin and get that blood flowing. Now if you guys also have any special technique, any tip that you want to share with me regarding facial at home, then please feel free to mention it down in the comment section. And with that, let's move on to the next step. So I'm done with the sheet mask as well, and now it's time to move on to the next step, which is using a moisturizer. And for that I have the L'Oréal Paris Hydrafresh Anti-Ox Moisturizer. Now the whole point of a facial is to get the blood flowing to your skin, so I'm gonna take a little more amount than I usually take because we're doing a facial. And I'm going to massage it between my hands first to just warm up the product before I apply it on my face, and that will just help me in getting that even application across my face. So now that I have the product, I am just going to start from the center of my face, and I'm going to take it all the way backwards. And whenever you are massaging your face, you always start from the center of your face and use gentle but firm hand while you're massaging your face. So now the reason that I'm applying a moisturizer on top of all of the products that I've just used is to just lock in all of that moisture and all of the hydration of the sheet mask as well as the micro essence that we just used. तो जब आपने ये सारे products use कर लिए हैं तो आपकी skin extremely hydrated और smooth हो जाती है, and that is the point of a facial. And now I'm going to show you this one technique that I've recently learned. So I'm going to start from the center of my face, and I'm going to use my knuckles, and I'm going to just gently push the skin backwards, and then I'm going to go down a little, and then I'm going to come to my chin area, and I'm going to just push the skin backwards to my ear. And then again at the temples, I'm going to start from the center of my forehead and then push it all the way backwards. And this is actually very helpful in the morning skincare routines because generally we wake up with a very puffy and swollen face. तो ऐसे करने से आपके face का जो भी lymphatic fluid है वो सारा drain हो जाता है, and you get that nice sculpted face. So with that, I'm kind of done with my moisturizer as well. As you can see, the product has very nicely absorbed into my skin, and now it's time to move on to the last and final step, which is using a sunscreen. So now for my sunscreen, I have the L'Oréal Paris UV Perfect Super Aqua Essence. Now it is like a fresh hydrating water gel formula with SPF of 50, and I'm going to take like a coin size of this product, like this much. And always be generous when you're applying sunscreen. Facial to kar liya, but bina sunscreen ke it's it's going to be not as effective because even when we are indoors, sun rays can harm your skin. So using a good sunscreen that can last longer on your skin and has a decent SPF will help in protecting your skin from the harmful sun rays. So now I'm gonna just dot it all over my face so that I don't miss a spot. And I'm also gonna dot it around my neck. And then I'm just gonna massage the product into my skin. Now this product actually just gets absorbed very easily because it's that water gel kind of a formula, and it's very lightweight, and it actually lasts for up to 12 hours, which is amazing because then you don't really have to reapply the sunscreen, especially if you're indoors. Like sometimes we forget to reapply the sunscreen, so this formula just will last on your skin throughout the day without any reapplication stress. Just gonna apply it around my neck area as well, and it'll give you that nice brightened glow on your skin. Just ensure that everything is nicely massaged into your skin. Now even when you're massaging your sunscreen, you have to go in upward circular motions. कभी भी नीचे की तरफ massage नहीं करना है, be it whatever skincare product that you're using. And with that, I'm done with the last step. And ये था मेरा facial at home. Comment करके मुझे ज़रूर बताएं कैसी लगी आपको आज की वीडियो. And अगर आपके पास भी कोई टेक्निक है जो आप मेरे साथ शेयर करना चाहते हैं regarding facial at home, then please let me know so that even I can try it out. And आज जितने भी products मैंने use किए हैं वो सारे description box में mention है. And जाने से पहले सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा, and also hit on the bell icon so that you are notified and updated every time we upload a new video. And with that, that is it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.